Terminal board error. If there is no response from the remote control, or when turned on using the auto button, the issue is likely with the terminal board. The terminal board of the indoor unit is located here. Prepare the necessary tools to troubleshoot this error code. Measure incoming voltage. Confirm there is incoming voltage. Next, continue to check for continuity. Check wire continuity. Disconnect the terminal wire. Measure the continuity or ohm between the terminal wire and the terminal board at N. If there is continuity or ohm, there is no problem with terminal board. If not, replace the terminal board.